Welcome to today's training session. In this video, you will learn the fundamentals of Oracle Banking Payments, the enterprise-grade payments hub used by banks worldwide to process domestic, cross-border, real-time, and bulk payments. By the end of this session, you will understand what the system is, how it works, and the major modules inside it. Oracle Banking Payments, or OBP, is a centralized payments processing platform that banks use to handle all kinds of payments in one place. Instead of running multiple, separate systems for ACH, RTGS, SWIFT, SEPA, or instant payments, a bank can manage everything inside a single hub. It supports domestic and international payments, high-value and low-value payments, real-time payments and batch payments, file-based corporate payments, ISO 20022 and SWIFT messaging standards. The goal is to give banks a unified, scalable, and compliant system to process millions of transactions efficiently and safely. Banks operate in a complex global ecosystem with different networks, clearing houses, regulations, and messaging formats. OBP solves this complexity by providing a single payment engine for all schemes, faster onboarding of new networks or compliance changes, automated validation, routing, and settlement, real-time processing capabilities, centralized monitoring and exceptions management, seamless integration with core banking and external systems. Essentially, OBP reduces operational cost, increases efficiency, and ensures regulatory compliance. Let's explore the core modules inside Oracle Banking Payments. 1. Payments Core Base. This is a foundation. It contains common configurations, reference data, validations, and payment orchestration logic. 2. Payment Product Modules. Each payment type has its own module. Examples include cross-border payments, SWIFT-based international transfers, book transfer, internal account-to-account transfers, ACH credit and ACH debit, low-value domestic clearing, RTGS FIN real-time, high-value settlements, SEPA credit transfer, direct debit, instant European payments, Fedwire, CHIPS, NACHA for United States networks, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, UPI for Indian payment rails, Hong Kong FPS, China NAPS, Asian domestic schemes. Each module follows the rules, validations, and messaging standards of that payment network. 3. Messaging System. This module transforms and transmits payment messages in formats like ISO 20022 packs and PAIN or SWIFT MT formats. 4. Pricing Engine. Handles charges, fees, waivers, taxes, and billing rules applied during payment processing. 5. Exception Queues and Dashboard. Operations teams monitor failed payments, compliance blocks, or network issues using dashboards and queues. Before we continue, if you're finding this training useful so far, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It helps support the content and ensures you don't miss upcoming lessons on Oracle Banking, ISO 20022, and other financial systems. Also, feel free to like the video and drop any questions in the comments. I always respond. Here is a typical life cycle of a payment processed inside Oracle Banking Payments. Step 1. Instruction Intake. The payment enters the system from mobile or internet banking, branch teller, corporate file uploads, core banking systems, APIs. Step 2. Validation. OBP checks fields such as amount, currency, debtor/creditor data, cutoff times, sanctions flags, and network-specific rules. Step 3. Routing. The system decides how to send the payment, domestic or cross-border, which network, real-time or batch, high-value or low-value. Step 4. Message formatting. Next, OBP generates the required message type, PAX.008 or PAX.009, PAIN.001, SWIFT MT103 or MT202, SEPA XML formats. Step 5. Settlement. OBP interfaces with clearing systems or correspondent banks to complete settlement. Step 6. Accounting. Debit and credit entries are posted to the bank's general ledger or core banking. Step 7. Monitoring and exception resolution. If a payment fails any rule, it goes to an exception queue for manual review. Oracle Banking Payments delivers strong operational and compliance advantages. centralized control for all payments, lower operational risk, faster regulatory updates, straight-through processing with minimal manual work, better visibility through dashboards, ability to scale to millions of transactions per day, real-time processing for instant payment schemes, seamless integration with Oracle and non-Oracle core banking systems. This makes OBP suitable for large global banks as well as regional institutions. This concludes your introduction to Oracle banking payments. You now understand what OBP is, how it works, and why banks depend on it for secure and efficient payment processing. If you found this useful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others learning banking systems. Leave your questions in the comments, and I'll be glad to help.